Hi, it's Phil here. I'm here today. I'm going to show you my Honda CR-V 2-litre auto ES model. As you can see, it's an 0808, 2 owners from new. It's a category N car. It's had the front bumper painted, as you can see. This car has front and rear parking sensors. It has headlamp, washer and fog lights. Extremely well spec because it's the ES model. It's got the privacy glass on it as well. So what we're going to do is take you down the line of the car first. No scuffs on the front, as you can see. All the wheels and tyres in absolutely excellent condition. Tyres are nigh on new, with fabulous condition. See the privacy glass as well. You see the parking sensor there, all the way back. No scuffs on the back as well, which is brilliant, and on the other side as well. The line of the car, taking in the roof. So the passenger side, as you can see. So 84,000 miles, 2 owners from new, 5 service stamps, 4 of them main dealer, 2 keys. Just a proper car. Again, no scuffs there, as you can see. So there you have it. What I'll do now is I'll take you inside the car. So I'll see you in a second. Hi, it's Phil again. So what I'm going to do now is going to take you inside the car, starting with the engine bay. So this is a HD video, so don't forget you can stop, start, zoom in, zoom out. Have a really good look. The car's just been serviced and MOT'd. No advisories on the MOT whatsoever, and it's got 4 Honda main dealer service stamps with it as well. Okay, so there's the engine. So I'm going to take you inside the car now. Door card, obviously all the electrics there, electric door mirrors, multifunction steering wheel, CD, aircon, and it's the auto, which is the one to have. It's also got the factory mats, as you can see. All the seats and everything else are super condition, as the bolsters are. Driver's side rear door card. Again, factory mats in the back as well, as you can see. Headrests all the way around. Central armrest, and so on. It's absolutely lovely condition. 2 owners from new. 84,000 miles. Great history. Just been serviced. It's got 5 stamps. Just MOT'd. Passenger side door card. They're just great, reliable vehicles, these. Absolutely super. And it's got great spec on it as well. Great colour combination. It's got 2 keys with it as well. So there you have it. If you need any further information on the car, give me a call. My number is 07775 038270. Thanks for watching the video and hope to hear from you soon.